This is how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up on your server. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the 3 most effective methods. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply right click on your server, or you have to just open your server settings directly. So I just right click on my server and then click on the server settings. So here at this interface you have to just click on the overview option, and then you have to just scroll down at the right side of this interface, and here you just need to click on the disable community option at the bottom of this interface. Once you're done, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the next step is to simply open your user settings of Discord, and here just click on the voice and the video option. So once you are here in this option, you have to just make sure that the input devices option must be at the default mode. Once you're done, maybe your problem will be fixed. And right after that, you have to just make sure that you have to just update your Discord and then restart your system one time, and after restarting, your problem of the soundboard will be fixed 100%. And our last and the final solution is simply to reinstall your soundboard for Discord. You have to just search it in your browser and then open the first website, which is named as the Resonance. You have to just click to open it, and here simply click on the download. So once you download, you have to just install it in your PC, and make sure that you have to simply uninstall the previous soundboard from your system and then reinstall this soundboard in your PC or system for Discord. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let me guide.